parts. All you need is a 5-gallon bucket, 1 or 2 PVC pipe, doesn't matter what you use, whatever size you want to use. I just picked those guys up, 2 of them. I had some extra Reflectix, put the Reflectix on. Used some of this aluminum tape, just had that laying around. Got a fan from Walmart for $8, and yeah, just taped it down inside so it stayed. That's about it. And then all I used to cut it was this utility knife and some scissors. And that's it. Just need ice. There it is. Fucking homemade air conditioning. Got it blowing on this side and this side. One side for me, one side for Kuna. Way we both get cold. All you do is toss some ice in there. Fucking turn the fan on. Bam. Definitely could have used this out in Slab City and the other few spots, but found an ace, got it done.